How to make only your friends can see your languages on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your languages on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and then just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and then click profile information and go down until you find here this one, your birthday. Click this pen here and go down. Here you will find the languages. Click this icon and click friends and save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.